This is a tutorial on how to use colored pencils. They seem like quite simple tools for adding color to your drawing, but actually with colored pencils you don't want to just add color. It's all about combining the different colors that you have to create new colors and different tones in your drawing. So I've got 12 here. You might have a pack of 50 and that's great. I'm really only going to use about 7 of these colors. So if you have quite a small pack, that's fine. You just need the main color wheel colors. So get a red, a blue, a green, yellow, orange, purple. And the first thing I'm going to do is take out the black and the brown. And the brown is actually in my hair right now because I'm definitely not using that. And the reason for that is brown, basically you're going to make your own brown. Brown is a combination of other colors, so I will be showing you how to do that. And black, when you use black, just a black pencil, it ends up being a bit gray and dull and doesn't really give you that rich sort of black that you might be looking for, the rich shade in your drawing. So we'll create a kind of black, and if it's necessary, we'll bring it back in, but you don't want to use just black on its own. This is the image that I will be working from first. If I look at, say, this green leaf here, even if I use both of my shades of green that I have in my pack, it's not going to give me a leaf that looks like this. So I need to look for all the different colors that I can see. So I've got some yellow down the vein. The reflections and highlights are kind of a light blue. There's really dark purpley blue, almost black around the dewdrops and the shadows. Looking at the yellow rose, if I'm really looking at these colors, I might add some red, maybe a little bit of orange, and as I go darker, add some purple. When you're adding shadow to a color, rather than adding black, you want to add the color opposite on the color wheel. So in this case, to make a shadow of yellow, I'll add some purple.